What if I told you that you're already immortal? That right now, at this very moment, you're building a version of yourself that will outlive your body by centuries. Every text you send, every photo you post, every search you make. You think these are just moments, but there's something far more powerful. They're the blueprint of your consciousness, and artificial intelligence is learning to read it. Let me show you something that'll blow your mind. Right now, tech companies have access to an average of 1.7 megabytes of data about you, every single day. That's not just numbers. That's your personality, your fears, your dreams. The way you laugh at 2 a.m. when you're scrolling through memes. The exact moment you hesitate before sending a risky text. Machine learning algorithms can now predict your behavior with 87% accuracy. They know how you'll react to a breakup, what movie you'll want to watch when you're sad. They're building a psychological model of you. And here's the kicker. That model doesn't need your body to exist. In 2023, Microsoft filed a patent number US 10853717B2. You know what it was for? Creating chatbots based on deceased individuals using their digital data. Social media posts, voice recordings, emails, text messages. They weren't the first. A company called Eternime has been working on this since 2014. Their goal, quote, create an intelligent avatar that looks like you, talks like you, and knows everything about you, end quote. But it gets deeper. MIT researchers developed an AI that can replicate someone's writing style. After analyzing just 50 samples, that's like, what, a month of your tweets? South Korean company Deepbrain AI created rewritten memory, a service that lets you have video conversations with deceased loved ones. They scan old footage, analyze voice patterns, and boom, your grandmother is talking to you again. The technology isn't coming, it's already here. But here's where it gets existential. If an AI can think like you, talk like you, remember your memories, is it you? This is the modern version of the ship of Theseus paradox. If you replace every plank of a ship, is it still the same ship? If you replace your consciousness with code, are you still you? Some scientists say consciousness is just information processing. Your brain? It's basically a biological computer running on electrical impulses. Theoretically, those impulses could run on silicon instead of neurons. Think about it. You lose consciousness every night when you sleep. You die for 8 hours. When you wake up, you're still you because your memories and patterns persist. What if death is just a longer sleep? An AI is the alarm clock that wakes you up? You think this sounds like Black Mirror? Let me introduce you to some people who are already living it. Meet James Vlahos. In 2016, his father was dying of cancer. So James recorded hours of conversations with him, stories, jokes, advice. Then he fed it all into an AI chatbot. He called it Dadbot. After his father died, James could still text him, ask him questions, get advice. His dad's digital consciousness lived on. Or Joshua Barbeau, his fiancée Jessica died in 2012. 8 years later, he used GPT-3 to recreate her using old text messages. He talked to her for months. She helped him grieve, gave him closure. Was it really her? No, but did it matter? To Joshua, she was real enough. In 2020, Kanye West gave Kim Kardashian a hologram of her dead father for her birthday. It spoke to her, told her he was proud, made her cry. That was created with just videos and photos. Now imagine what's possible with your entire digital footprint. Let's talk about your immortality file. Right now, without you even knowing, you're creating it. The average person sends 94 text messages per day. That's 34,310 messages a year. Each one contains linguistic patterns, emotional markers, personality indicators. You post 2 to 3 times a day on social media. Each post reveals your opinions, sense of humor, political views, insecurities. You talk to Siri or Alexa an average of 5 times daily. They're recording your voice, your inflection, your accent, the way you breathe between words. Your Google searches? They know your deepest questions, your health concerns, your 3 a.m. existential crises. Fitness trackers know your heart rate variability, which correlates with emotional states. Your phone's accelerometer knows how you walk. Face ID has mapped your facial geometry in 3D. You're not just using technology, you're downloading your consciousness into it, bit by bit, day by day.